This is two-wheel drive buggy me. I hope these pictures are like reasonably pointed at the track.
Yes, keep it between the pipes. And they're off. We got a little pile up in the first corner. Get that out of the way now. Maybe spin them back around. Joey leading the field around. Follow closely by Kyle. Good. Pulling out third.
Second. Third. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth. Seventh.
Alright, we're staying pretty close.
Second.
Gordon Smith is the third.
Third. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth. Seventh.
Take the top, put a little flip right there.
First. Second. Third.
They're putting the heat on Gordo.
Fifth.
Up deep in the woods.
Okay, good.
Keep going.
Nice job, Jeremy.
That's the funniest shit I've heard all day.
Well, it disappeared in the marsh.
National quickly 14 change here at Skunkworks.
Second. Third. Fourth. Fifth.
Yeah, looks like we have the team for first place.
Seven.
Kyle has jumped out front.
After 1 minute 31 seconds, the top drivers are Kyle in first place, followed by Jason in second place, followed by Gordo in fifth place, followed by Greg in fourth place, followed by Jared Mead in fifth place. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, first, seventh, second,
Starting to come through the back markers now. Starting to put people a lap down.
fourth,
Got his nose out front like he did in the stadium.
fifth,
We're in short course. We could be looking at our master of dirt right here, folks.
second, sixth, seventh, third. After 3 minutes 1 second, the top drivers are Kyle in first place, followed by Jason in second place, followed by Greg in fifth place, followed by Gordo in fourth place, followed by Jared Mead in fifth place. Fourth, fifth, first, second, sixth, third, seventh, fourth, fifth, first, second, sixth, third, seventh, fourth, fifth, first,
Okay, we have Kyle in first place, Jason in second, Greg third, Gordon fourth, Jared
third,
Story on seventh,
sixth,
and Mark Brown to make the field
seventh,
in seventh place.
fourth, first, fifth, second, sixth, seventh, third, fourth,
Wow, the only one in a 26 lap pace.
first, fifth. After 4 minutes 31 seconds, the top drivers are Kyle in first place, followed by Jason in second place, followed by Greg in third place, followed by Gordo in fourth place, followed by Jared Mead in fifth place. Second, sixth, seventh, third, fourth, sixth, seventh, third, fourth, first, fifth,
You need another beer, huh?
second, sixth, seventh, third, fourth, first, fifth, second, sixth, third, fourth, first, fifth, seventh, second, sixth. 2 minutes left. After 6 minutes 1 second, the top drivers are Kyle in first place, followed by Jason in second place, followed by Greg in third place, followed by Gordo in fourth place, followed by Jared Mead in fifth place, third, fourth, first, fifth, seventh, second, sixth,
Craig and Gordon, you guys race. I'm not getting in the middle of you, so go.
first,
Don't wait for me to get by you. Alright?
fifth, seventh,
You heard it, Greg and Gordon. Keep fighting for position. Greg and Gordon running third and
second,
fourth. Gordon, please, you don't have to have a brand new buggy to get a podium position.
third, fourth,
All you need is some mad driving skills and some good setup.
fifth, seventh,
Greg's breathing down his neck.
Oh shit, shit, shit!
I'll be taking third back.
sixth,
Kyle got a little breathing lube on his
third,
head. but
1
he's
minute
all
left,
right.
fourth,
Thanks, Dario.
first, seventh, fifth, second, sixth, third,
And the race
fourth,
for third is getting hotter. Oh, that might have just evaporated slightly, but that'll reel him back in again.
first, seventh, fifth. After 7 minutes 31 seconds, the top drivers are Kyle in first place, followed by Jason in second place, followed by Gordo in third place, followed by Greg in fourth place, followed by Jared Mead in fifth place, second, sixth, third, fourth, first, seventh, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6. Third Greg done with a 24 lap 805.6
Last
result.
man again.
Fourth Gordo done with a 24 lap 806.2 result. First Kyle done with a 25 lap 806.4 result. Seventh Troy done with a 23 lap 808.8 result. Fifth Jared Mead done with a 24 lap 813.6 result. Second Jason done with a 25 lap 816 flat result. Sixth Mark done with a 24 lap 819.3 result. All drivers are finished. The race is completed.
Great driving out there, guys. That was a great race.
Push the pace early.